Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will compare the BMW M4 versus VR6. We'll dive into the core differences between these two automotive concepts. The BMW M4 is a dedicated performance car, while the VR6 is an engine type found in various vehicles. Understanding their unique characteristics will help you decide which might be a better fit for your driving preferences and budget. Let's explore their key attributes. The BMW M4 is engineered for exhilarating performance. Its turbocharged inline-six engine delivers impressive horsepower and torque, making it incredibly fast. With advanced suspension and braking systems, the M4 provides a precise and engaging driving experience, especially on winding roads or the track. However, this level of luxury and performance comes with a premium price tag, both for purchase and ongoing maintenance. The VR6 engine, a Volkswagen innovation, is celebrated for its distinctive sound and smooth power delivery. Its compact design allows it to fit into smaller engine bays, offering a great balance of power and packaging. You'll find VR6 engines in a range of vehicles, from sporty hatchbacks to larger sedans. These cars often provide a more accessible entry point into performance, with lower initial costs and potentially more manageable upkeep. So which is better? It truly depends on your priorities. If you seek a dedicated, high-performance luxury sports car with track capabilities and a substantial budget, the BMW M4 is an excellent choice. If you prefer a versatile vehicle with a unique engine, smooth power, and a more approachable price point, a VR6-powered car could be ideal. Both offer fantastic driving experiences, just in different ways.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.